when you're responsible for this, the last thing you want is to be responsible for this, or this, or, well, that's where extended reality technology comes in. Extended reality is all about making your operations simpler, more efficient, and safer. This isn't future technology, it's now technology. Here's what it looks like. First of all, we ensure your installation is digitized and available remotely. Having a 3D representation model of your installation easily, quickly designed, and updated with our editor tool means you can plan, simulate, and anticipate interventions. This digital-first approach makes it easier to train and empower your staff, and it takes the guesswork out of looking for documentation. It's always a few taps away. There's more, but it all adds up to one thing, letting you focus on protecting people and installations. Be responsible for safer, faster, smarter operations with EcoStruxure XR Operator Advisor.